Yeah, I did.
Where there's cops in Concord Gardens program.
Yeah, parked at the office, and I don't know why they parked the cars there. There's 3 cruisers.
Because you're upset, sweetie. I want what's right for you, not what's wrong. Right? I know.
We have a substation down there, but there's more going on than the substation. They're at someone's apartment, I think.
I don't like that. Can you please sit Janiko? Of course, Janiko doesn't know any better. She not funny, and Suki knew him ever since he was a puppy. I don't know what's up with this.
Yeah.
Please don't hurt.
Shamiko was given to me as a gift. From a gift.
I gotta explain,
From
not
a
my
friend.
husband, but that's not my wife. If you open up the door, it's gonna make it even worse.
I know, that's why I'm not opening the door, no.
No. There is a door in 25 Roll Gardens that's not shutting right. Every time you open it, it feels like this. Get
Yeah,
like this.
I know.
Oh, was it?
I know.
Not nice. That's so sad. Nobody is gonna hurt me. Oh no. I don't want to hurt me.
No.
You need a cigarette, huh?
Sure. Pyramid.
Even when she grandpa's grandpa would be upset with that.
Yeah.
People nitpick on you too much, and your wife too much. Whatever it is. How am I thinking this then?
True.
True. Yeah, I've opened up the window too much. No, I'm not. You guys are being pushed each and every time. Out the back way, like, then shadows appears.
I know, shadows.
Ridiculous. Cares about that? I want this to stop. Please.
What do you do about those?
Huh?
I know.
Who cares about the shadow?
I know.
I'm talking about what's in the kitchen.
I cleaned it all up. I cleaned. I had to get when I get birthday money. I'll get supplies.
No, sweetie.
Or have someone give me supplies. I don't know. Or someone give me supplies and I can mop the floor.
It shouldn't be like that.
I know. I'll mop it all up. I know. I don't have much money.
Concerned. Very concerned. I'm just saying, if ever man you something fall and break a hip in the kitchen, you know who to blame. Not right. And like you said that one time, yeah. Only when you dial an ambulance.
Oh, that's why I need more paper towels and supplies and stuff. Things are so expensive.
Did you tell a lady that?
Yeah, she's running out of money for that stuff too.
Now, once you spend your cash on birthday money, should go to I'm trying to talk good stuff, not messes everywhere you see. Guess you could say a meal's job is never done. Now there's mine.
No.
It's upsetting me. This is all I ever hear and see. How about you? Are you upset?
Yep. Yeah, I'm upset with things.
Very much. You hear stuff out front you don't want to hear. That's me. Oh, like that was like something.